Hi, this is Laura Hartwig, and welcome to the WordPress 101 tutorial on WordPress pages and posts. Since pages and posts are very similar, this tutorial will work for both. Today we're going to be talking about the content editor, and as you see I have it open here just under my new page or new post. And you'll see the large box, and this is going to be the content of your page or post. First, you'll want to make sure that you have the visual tab selected up here and not the text. If you're going to be using text, that's more for if you're going to be using code. So let's stick with the visual editor for right now. Now, if you've used Microsoft Word, then you're going to be very familiar with most of these icons that you see up here. First, we have bold. You see it just makes that bold, italic, strike through. Bulleted list we can do easily by just selecting everything that we want to be in the bulleted list, and you see it put the dots there. Now if we change our minds and we wanted a numbered list, we're just going to switch over to numbered list. It's exactly the same. This next little button is called a block quote, and some themes are a little bit better configured to have a nice graphic in the background. Others, like this theme, are just going to make it italicized. So I'm just going to select that with my cursor and then click on block quote. Then I'm just going to update, and well, let's take a look at what we've done so far. Over here's my page, and I'm just going to refresh so we can see we've got this bold, italicized, strike through, my numbered list, and here's my little quotes. Like I said, this one has just made it italicized. Sometimes there'll be a nice quote graphic. Okay, so now that we've got through that, let's talk about next. We can just put in a horizontal line. I'm just going to click here and then do a horizontal line, and you'll see that puts in a nice horizontal line. Then we have the option to left justify, center, or right align text. I've got some text here, so you can just see how it works. We can easily center it or right justify it, or maybe we decide we did want it left justified after all. Next, it's very easy to make links. We'll just write the link text that we want to use here. Then we're going to just highlight this with our cursor and use this nice little link pop-up. Here we'll put in our website that we want to link to. If it's a website outside of your own website, you might want to click this button to open it into a new tab. Or if you are linking to another page on your site, you can search the page right here. Let's say we're looking for the welcome page, and it'll show right here, and it'll automatically put that in the welcome page. Then you're just going to, there's a add link button down there, and you can see it's put a line under there so that you can see that it's a link. Okay, so that worked out well. Now, say that you decided you don't want to use that as a link, then you can just use this remove link. So you have the option of editing it by clicking on this button again and just edit what you already have, or click on the break remove link, and you can see a line underneath it is gone, so it's gone. Okay, the next is our read more tag. So this is going to be on a page where you have full post and you want people to only see part of it and then be directed to read more. There's another way to do this in the settings, but if you want to do it through here, you can as well. So we would just move our cursor where we wanted and insert the tag. And you'll see here it shows this more line, but on your actual page it would say read more. Now, when you're looking at the full page or post, you're not going to see this at all. That's only going to be on a page, an archive page, where you have all your posts. So just keep that in mind. Next, we have a spell check we can use. So if we click on this, it's going to check it. It's here, the green line, that means we need to something's wrong, and as you can see it has the wrong article, so I'm just going to change that to the correct one. And this one, it didn't, I just click on it and it didn't like that I put that little dash in front of it, but I can just ignore that suggestion for now. Next we have this nice little kitchen